Two tariff groups are available for different customer needs: LPWA and M2M. Besides a 6 to 30 megabyte data allowance, the LPWA tariff also includes an amount of 250 SMS that can be used over the 5 years lifetime. Besides a 300 to 3000 megabyte data allowance, the M2M tariff also includes an amount of 250 SMS that can be used over the 3 years lifetime. This tutorial explains what kind of SMS are supported and how to set up the SMS configuration. Telekom supports two kinds of SMS normally used for IoT applications: Mobile Terminated SMS as well as Mobile Originated SMS. Mobile Terminated SMS are sent from the customer's server to the SIM card carrying device, whereas Mobile Originated SMS are sent from the device to the server. Direct SMS messages from one device to another device are not supported. The Business Smart Connect portal offers a number of functions for easy and quick administration of your SMS volumes. Under Dashboard, for example, you get an overview of the SMS status for all SIM cards that are currently in use. This includes the number of SIM cards with sufficient SMS volume, the number of SIM cards with an SMS volume below 20%, all SIM cards with no SMS volume left, the overall SMS usage of the last 6 months. To get detailed information about the SMS status of a specific SIM card, switch to the tab SIM Management and choose one SIM card. Under Usage, you can check the number of SMS left for this SIM card. In case you need to recharge SMS volume, click on the button Action and select Top Up. Alternatively, you can rebook additional SMS volume in the Dashboard section for all SIM cards with low volume. Besides recharging SMS volume, you have the opportunity to send a Mobile Terminated SMS directly from the Business Smart Connect portal to the application device. Therefore, choose the tab SMS and enter the source address and payload. Now click Send, then refresh. The SMS sent to a specific SIM card can now be seen directly underneath this function. Beyond that, you have the possibility to forward Mobile Originated SMS towards a configurable URL. Therefore, go to the tab Settings and choose the section SMS Forwarding Configuration. Insert the URL of the server which will receive the SMS and save your configuration. Using the Application Programming Interface, or API for short, SIM cards can also be administered directly via external platforms. The API allows information to be automatically received about your SIM cards without using the customer portal and enables the integration of all relevant SMS functions into the customer's own software environment. To open the API, go to api-business-portal-smart-connect.telekom.de. To start, click on the Authorization button and enter your credentials from the Business Smart Connect portal. After having completed the authorization process, the different SMS requests supported by the API can be seen. Here, the customer can test all SMS requests for SMS supported by Telekom. The customer can get a list of SMS sent and received by a dedicated SIM card. Therefore, go to /SIMs. Manage your SIMs and choose the corresponding request. Click Tryout, enter the ICCID and execute the request to get a full list of SMS sent and received by the selected SIM card. Beyond that, you have the opportunity to submit an SMS to a specific SIM card. Therefore, choose the request below, enter the ICCID of the SIM card you want to reach out to. Please note that currently the payload is a required field and needs to be filled. By executing the request, you send the SMS to your device carrying the dedicated SIM card. The response includes the CURL, request URL, as well as the code of the response header. Moreover, you can get details about specific SMS like status, message, time of delivery, and so on by using the following request. To cancel an SMS that is buffered and not yet delivered, use the request delete SMS ID in the known manner. After executing the request, you'll get a detailed response code confirming the SMS has been deleted. The Telekom Swagger UI enables visualization and interaction with the API's resources without having any of the implementation logic in place. All SMS functions and other API resources shown in this tutorial can be integrated into your own programming via scripts. In order to execute the corresponding functions on external systems, please be aware of adapting the scripts to your own environment. To get more information about how to use the Telekom REST API on your external systems, read the information in our FAQs and refer to your system integrator or developer.